Alright guys, welcome back to Fastback Life. I'm TK. So, back to work on the charger. Just been taking some stuff off. I guess I can show you the front end. I have the front suspension completely off, and front suspension on that side is completely off, and then the drive shaft, the steering shaft is out. See, the whole steering shaft is out there. I actually got it sitting right here. Got her out, got the steering wheel off, power steering off. Actually, kind of got it all out at once. It's kind of neat. There you go. All the steering linkage is all off, along with the steering gearbox. The steering shaft is all out. All that. So everything's completely off the front end. That's out. Steering wheel's down in the basement. So yeah, steering wheel, steering column, front suspension. Front suspension's really not anything too crazy. Just unbolting stuff. The only thing that was kind of, you gotta kind of know what you're doing, is the torsion bars. Both torsion bars. One was broken, so one came out pretty easy. One was not broken though, so that came out the regular way. Just kind of had to tap it backwards, kind of, to slide it out of its, like, where it sits. That was really the only thing that was kind of weird. I guess if you drop the whole K-member, you might be able to do it differently. But that's all off. Steering wheel's off. What I'm gonna work on now is the heater box, the air conditioning. Well, this one didn't have air conditioning, but like the air box, I guess, I don't know. So what I think is going on here is there's 1, 2, and then 3. I think that's what's holding it in. I've never taken one out, so I'm not really sure. But I guess we're gonna find out. See if I can get some gloves here. The reason I've been working with gloves is because I know that there's some rat poo-poo and stuff around here, so I'm gonna get the steering wheel out of the way. Ooh, that sucker's heavy. Give this a little tug here. Let's see. That brace probably needs to be undone. Ooh. So maybe if I do that brace, maybe that'll do it. I think that's the only thing that might be holding it. Alright, so I guess let's see how this goes. Ooh, there we go. What an awesome little invention that sometimes works. I wonder if this will do it. Do I have to do both? I bet I have to do both. Ooh. Oh. All right. So we might be in luck. I should probably tighten that one and then kind of swing it up. All right, let's see how this goes here. Ooh. Huh. I believe my hand is trapped. Oh. Alright, so we're just gonna slide that around. See what I did there? I'm gonna have to put you down for a minute here. I don't quite know how this is gonna go. That's probably gonna be dirty. All right. We're totally gonna get caught up on this. So there's always gotta be something. Well, would a screwdriver be better or what? Was it magnetic? Jeez. So there's the linkage stuff for it. Alright, so now when we pull it out, we shouldn't be caught up on a bunch of cables. Alright, this is actually working out a lot better than I was expecting, which I guess I don't know if that's good. I'm pretty sure it's good. Oh, we're still stuck. Not anymore. We're no longer stuck. We're stuck again. Do I need to take out the dash? Ay, ay, ay. There is a nest in there. Well, I'll be done. Come on. Okay. I'm thinking that maybe the dash needs to come out. I should not be very happy coming out this way. Well, it really looks like it just wants to slide right out of there, but it doesn't. Well, I'll be. Alright. My back hurts. Okay. Alright, so that was crazy. There she is. I'm pooped. Oh. Alright. Yeah, I still got the tornado, so. Well, I was right about the rat poop. Some stuff down in there. Looks like fibers. So, yeah. You know, this thing ran on the old cables to open and shut doors, and it still works. I mean, if we pull on this one, oh, look at that. Hey. Pull on it. There we go. Where's the other one? Alright. That was a lot of fun. So yeah, just taking some more stuff off, as you can tell. Winter was kind of, you know, I guess you could say it was slacking, but my garage is cold. Not a whole lot of fun working in that. Plus plow, second job, family, stuff like that. So been busy, but hopefully now that the weather it's decent out, yeah, I can start doing this stuff again more often. Let's go take a look inside after that. What does it all look like? Ooh. Well, it's like insulation. Insulation on the firewall. That's pretty neat. So that's what it looked like back in the 60s. Which is, I'm gonna be real honest with you, looks pretty damn good for 60, 50, 60 years. Huh. Yep. Oh, so the steering came out. There's a little bracket right here that kind of holds the steering column up, and then the steering column bolts in right there, and the shaft goes down to the steering gearbox. Huh. So yeah, just showing you I'm back at it. There'll be some more videos coming up. I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe it'll be some trim stuff. I was cleaning my garage and decided to work on the charger a little bit, so I did it. So about that air box, heater box, I'm not gonna use that. If I do anything, it'll be like Vintage Air, or you know, like one of those companies that make stuff like that, and it'll be a heater and it'll be AC. I think Dylan McCool put classic or Vintage Air or something in his Challenger, and it looked really nice, so I'm probably gonna do that. And on top of it, the new ones are like smaller, more compact, lighter. That thing is a freaking tank. So that was a nice little quick one. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified when I come up with more videos, because I know I'm kind of not really on a schedule for coming out with videos. But thanks again for watching. Like I said, like and subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.